Viewers, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to solve this beautiful Olympiad mathematics question. So we have 8a raised to the power of a multiplied by b raised to the power of b, which is equal to 27a raised to the power of b multiplied by b raised to the power of a. So we have to find the value of a raised to the power of 2 plus b raised to the power of 2. So that is what we have to find. Okay guys, so before we dive into the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment and share. Alright guys, so let's dive into the solution. So then how are we going to solve this problem to solve for a raised to the power of 2, b raised to the power of 2? You can see that this question is somehow wide, like, yeah, it seems impossible, but it's possible. So we are going to solve it step by step. Alright, okay, so this is what I'm going to do. We are going to divide both sides by 8b raised to the power of b, a raised to the power of b. This is what I'm saying. So let me write out the equation first. We have 8 multiplied by a raised to the power of a plus, multiplied by b raised to the power of b, which is equal to 27 a raised to the power of b, b raised to the power of a. So if I divide both sides by 8 multiplied by b raised to the power of b, then a raised to the power of b, then this over 8 multiplied by b raised to the power of b, a raised to the power of b. Now, what are you going to notice? We notice that a will cancel out a here, then b raised to the power of b will cancel out b raised to the power of b. So a raised to the power of b will cancel out a raised to the power of b. Okay, so what you have now is a raised to the power of a over a raised to the power of b, which is equal to 27 over 8, then multiply by b raised to the power of a over b raised to the power of b. So then if you write this, according to the law of indices, we have a raised to the power of n divided by a raised to the power of m. So this is equal to a raised to the power of n minus m. Okay, so we are going to have a raised to the power of a minus b equals 27 over 8, then multiply by b raised to the power of a minus b. So you can also divide both sides by b raised to the power of a minus b over b raised to the power of a minus b. So b raised to the power of a minus b will cancel out b raised to the power of a minus b. So what you have now is a raised to the power of a minus b, then over b raised to the power of a minus b, which is equal to 27 over 8. Now remember that 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3 and 8 is 3 raised to the power of 3. Now moving to the next page. So we are going to have a raised to the power of a minus b over b raised to the power of a minus b, so which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, since 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3 and 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3, so we are going to have a raised to the power of a minus b, then over b raised to the power of a minus b, which is equal to 3 over 2, then raised to the power of 3. Okay, then if you write this also, we are going to have a over b, then raised to the power of a minus b, which is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power of 3. So we can equate this exponent, that is, we can assume that a minus b equals 3. So if a minus b equals 3, so we have a minus b equals 3, so you can make a or b the subject of the formula, anyone you want to do. So if I make what is it called? If I make a the subject of the formula, I'm going to have a equals 3 plus b. Okay, so if a is equal to 3 plus b, so I'm going to have 3 plus b then over b raised to the power of, so I already say a minus b is 3, so we are going to have raised to the power of 3, then over 3 over 2, then raised to the power of 3. So we can see 3, we cancel out 3 here. So what you have now is 3 plus b then over b equals 3 over 2. So now let's multiply both sides by b. So we multiply both sides by 2b, okay? So b we cancel out b here, 2 we cancel out 2 here. So what you have now is 2, then into 3 plus b, which is equal to 3 multiplied by b, that will give us 3b. Then you open this bracket. So if we open the bracket, we are going to have then 2 into that is 3 plus b equals 3b. 3 plus b then equals 3b. So 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6, then plus 2 multiplied by b will give us 2b, which is equal to 3b. Then if you subtract 2b from both sides, we are going to have 6 equals 3b minus 2b. So we have 6 equal b. Okay, so that is the value of b is equal to 3. Now let's find the value of a. Now remember that A equals B plus 3, okay? Then just substitute, this is 6, sorry. So substitute B to be 6, we are going to have A equals 6 plus 3. So then we have A equals 9. So therefore, we have the value of A equals 9 and the value of B is equal to 6. Now, before we conclude that this is correct, now let's do some checkings. So we said A is 9 and B is 6. Now let's do checkings. So A is 9 and B is 6. Now from this question right here, let me clean some parts so that we can have space to do the checkings. Okay, so let's use yellow marker. Now we said A equals 9 and B equals 6. So that is 8, then multiply by 9 raised to the power of 9, multiply by 6 raised to the power of 6, which is equal to 27 into 9 raised to the power of 6, multiply by 6 raised to the power of 9. Okay, so we can first divide both sides by 9 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 6. So you have 9 raised to the power of 9, 6 raised to the power of 6. This and this we cancel out, this and this we cancel out. So what you have now is 8 equals 27. Then into now 9 raised to the power of 6 divided by 9 raised to the power of 9. That means 9 raised to the power of 6 minus 9. Then multiply by 6 raised to the power of 9 minus 6. Okay. So we're going to have 8 equals 27, then 9 raised to the power of negative 3, then multiply by 6 raised to the power of 3. All right. So you can divide both up by 27. So over 27 over 27. So we have 8 over 27. So which is 2 over 3, then raised to the power of 3, then which is equal to, 9 raised to the power of minus 3 is 1 over 9 raised to the power of 3. So we're going to have 6 raised to the power of 3 over 9 raised to the power of 3. So that is 2 over 3, then into equal to 6 over 9 raised to the power of 3. 3 in 6, that is 2, 3 in 9, that is 3. So we have 2 over 3 raised to the power of 3, then equals 2 over 3 raised to the power of 3. So that shows that the value of A is 9 and the value of B is 6. Now, since we have the value of A and B, so we can now successfully find what we are asked to find, which is A raised to the power of 2 plus B raised to the power of 2. So now let's find A raised to the power of 2 plus B raised to the power of 2. So A raised to the power of 2 plus B raised to the power of 2 will equal to 9 raised to the power of 2 plus 6 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 81 plus 36. And 81 plus 36 will give us 117. So that is the answer to that question. All right, guys. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos concerning Olympiad mathematics question. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe so that you can encourage this channel. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. See you next time.